Hello everyone at home. I am making a little video today to help you guys and walk you through our moon phases that we did. So I emailed you the notes and slideshow, but you did not get to hear me kind of talk through our ideas and tips and tricks. So here we go. All right, so your phases of the moon are in order. Just like your planets are in order, your phases never change, okay? And the light is shining on the moon, and this makes the different shapes we see in the sky based on how much of the light is hitting the moon. So rule number one is we want to focus on the side that is bright. That's the phase that we see in the night sky. Don't go to the dark side is what I say. So to help that, we were highlighting this white side of the moon because that's supposed to represent the side the sun light is getting to, and this helps our eyes really adjust to the shape to figure out the phase and all of that. So that is one suggestion as you're working through this. Second thing is, and this was in your notes, you saw words like waxing, waning. As we highlight, you will see that we use waxing for some of them if the right side is bright, and then waning is when the left side is bright. Okay, and this only works for some of them. All right, then we have words like crescent and gibbous. So if you've ever had a yummy crescent roll or croissant, okay, you see that it makes kind of this shape or the other way around. Okay, a little crescent roll. That is a terrible crescent roll. Okay, but you get my point. And then gibbous, okay, the beginning of the word gibbous is G-I-B, okay? Look at it backwards, B-I-G, big, because this means a big part of the moon is bright, okay? So some tips and tricks there. All right, so we're gonna start off with labeling, and again, it's the same order over and over. All right, let me change here. Okay, so we're gonna start off with when the moon has no visible light shining on it, and this is called a new moon. If you hear the bell go off in 3 minutes, the bell rings, so don't pay attention to that. All right, next you see that the right-hand side is lit up, and we have, again, this crescent roll shape. So we put those words together. This is called a waxing crescent. Okay, next we see exactly half of the moon is bright. So this is our half moon, technically called a first quarter because the moon is revolving around Earth. And when it hits this phase, it's actually a quarter of the way around the Earth. So that's why it's called a first quarter. All right, we're back to knowing that the right-hand side is bright. So this is waxing. But now we see a big part is bright, so think big. So this is our waxing gibbous. All right, we got a full moon, meaning it is fully bright. This is what happened on Halloween, okay? All of it is bright. All right, moving on, you're gonna see that we now have shifted to the left-hand side is bright. So we change to the word waning. And again, still a big amount is bright. So big, this is my gibbous. I'm moving quick here so you don't have to listen to a 1,000-minute video. All right, we're back to half of the moon is bright, but technically this is the third quarter because when it gets to this phase, it has now moved 3/4 of the way around, or 3/4 of the way around Earth. So this is our third quarter. And last but not least, we are on the left-hand side, so this is waning. And now we have this yummy crescent roll shape, so this is a waning crescent, okay? So if I zoom out, I told them kind of think of like a gas tank, okay? At first, my gas tank is empty, okay? And I'm slowly adding gas to it until I have a full tank, okay? And once I have a full tank, the only way my gas gauge is going to go is down. So now you see that I'm slowly getting rid of some of the gas as well. And it's kind of the same idea with the sunlight. Okay, if that kind of helps you. All right, so that's kind of me talking you through. This is a more accurate description of what the moon is doing because the moon revolves around Earth in this counterclockwise motion. Okay, so if you want to try this one out, more power to you. Okay, you would start here at the new moon. Okay, and you would travel actually upwards because after the new moon comes a waxing crescent, and that's this one right here. Okay, so you can try that out. What I do want you to do is on my Canvas page, I have linked something called a check for understanding. I want you to try this without looking at anything, okay? And then email it to me just simply to check in, okay? So I would love for you guys to do that so I kind of see how well you are understanding this. And I hope you guys are doing well, and we miss your faces here at school. And please email me with any questions that you have. Miss you guys.